Hi.
Hello,
How are you today?
I'm fine.
Where did you go today?
I know.
You go to your mom told me that you are on a picnic today. Am I right?
Yes,
So what did you do in the picnic, baby?
I draw the picture.
Wow, did you enjoy?
Yes,
Oh, wow. Okay, nice to see you today, Koa. So let's start our lesson. So yesterday, our lesson is about, last time, our lesson is Unit 6. So today, we are on
yes,
Unit 7. Okay, FFM Unit 7. What was the letter? Okay. Are you ready?
yes.
Let me share my screen. Yes. Welcome to our class, Koa. What can you see in the picture, baby?
I see sun, sunny, rainy,
Yes, sun,
cloudy,
clouds. So because,
cloudy.
okay, very good. Because our lesson is about what's the weather like. Can you read it?
The weather light is sunny.
Okay, what's the weather?
The sunny.
Sunny. Okay. Oh, what can you see in the picture?
I see sunny, cloudy, creamy,
Sunny,
creamy.
windy, rainy, and cloudy. Very good. Again, baby. Sunny,
Sunny, cloudy, rainy,
cloudy, baby. Cloudy, cloudy,
cloudy, cloudy,
cloudy.
cloudy.
Windy, baby. Look at the second picture. It's windy. And how about the girl with umbrella? It's
It's cloudy.
rainy.
Rainy.
Okay. Hold on, baby. Sunny, windy, rainy,
Sunny, cloudy,
rainy, baby.
sunny.
Okay, let's go. Okay, let's read it, baby. Sunny, sunny.
Sunny, sunny.
Windy, windy.
Windy, windy.
Rainy, rainy.
Rainy, rainy.
And lastly, cloudy, cloudy.
Cloudy, cloudy.
Okay. Draw the missing picture, baby. Okay, I will allow you to annotate. Okay. Number 1, a quote.
Coat, a
Number 2,
coat.
clouds. Can you draw a cloud? Can you draw clouds?
Cloud, cloud,
Can you draw it there? So teacher will draw the cloud. Let's try it.
cloud.
Okay, go, go, go. Is there a cloud? Is there a cloud? Okay, let me try it. Rain. How about rain, baby? Can you draw the rain?
The moon. I draw the moon.
Okay.
Uh,
Very good. The moon.
no, 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 the moon.
Oh, look at the clouds. Wow, moon. I can draw the moon. Crescent.
Yellow. The moon is yellow.
Okay. How about the rain, baby? How to... Okay, rain, rain. Okay, let's try to read it, baby. A coat. Baby, a coat.
Yes. Rain.
Okay, let's read it, baby. A coat.
Coat.
Clouds.
Clouds.
Wind, the wind.
Wind.
A kangaroo.
A kangaroo.
A rain.
A rain.
Bats.
Box.
A scarf.
A scarf.
The moon.
The moon.
Okay, can you read it one by one, baby? Baby, a coat.
Coat.
Clouds.
Cloud. Wind. A kangaroo. A rain. A bat. A chef.
A scarf.
A scarf. And moon.
Yay! Good job. Okay, next. Wow, look at the clouds, baby. What is the color of the clouds?
Cloud is blue.
Yes. How about the rain?
The rain is gray.
Look at the moon. They are nice.
The moon. The moon.
Okay, next. Okay, choose the correct words and write them on the lines.
Okay.
Baby.
No. No. You can see this and the stars above you at night.
One more try. You can see this and the stars above you at night.
You can see this a star above you at night.
Oh, what's that?
It's a
What do we see at night with the stars up above?
moon.
Yes, it's a moon. Okay, next, number 2. These only fly
At night, and some people are fly of them.
What are those?
It's a cloud.
It's a bat or bats. Okay, number 3. When you walk in this weather, your clothes get wet.
When you walk is the weather, you clothes get wet.
What do you call that?
Sunny.
Oh, your clothes are getting wet during sunny days? No, 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 no. Rain, baby, rain. Number 4.
These animals can hop and sleep in a hot, sunny country.
This animal can hop and it lives in a hot, sunny country. What do you call that? What animal is hopping?
Happy.
Hopping, hopping, hopping.
Rabbit. Rabbit.
Kangaroo.
What?
A rabbit
Oh.
also can hop.
Hop, 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 hop,
Hop,
hop,
hop,
hop,
hop,
hop.
hop. Number 5. Number 5.
Is a root and get to where is wow unique one called day.
It's a good idea to wear this around your neck and on colder days.
Jenny.
No. Scarf. A scarf. Next.
Yes, all white, all gray, and sometimes now long for cream. Rainy.
Clouds. These are white or gray and sometimes snow falls from them. Again, baby.
These are what are gray and sometimes not long are cream.
From them. Okay.
And then
Okay, baby. Get a piece of paper. We're going to listen.
paper,
Okay.
paper.
Listen, are you ready?
Yes.
7C. What's the weather like? Tony and Sally's favourite weather. 1.
Oh no! It's raining. I don't like the rain.
Really? Why, Tony?
Because I can't ride my bike to school when it's raining.
Oh, do you like sunny weather then?
Yes, I love sunny weather.
2.
Are you happy today, Sally?
Yes, I'm happy because it's windy today.
Why do you like windy weather?
Because I need the wind to fly my kite.
Again?
Tony's
Tony likes.
windy.
No,
Then-
baby. Tony likes sunny weather
Tony likes sunny weather.
because when it is raining, he can't ride his bike.
Weather because when it's rainy, he can't ride his
Right.
bike
Right,
to school.
baby. He can't
Right.
ride his bike to school.
Right to school.
Sally is happy when it is windy because she needs the wind to fly her kite.
Sally is happy when it is windy because it needs
She
the
needs.
wind to fly her kite.
Yeah, so one more try. Tony likes sunny weather because when it is raining, he can't ride his bike to school. Again, baby.
Tony
Number 1, baby.
Tony likes sunny weather because when it is raining, he can't ride his bike to school.
Yay! Sally is happy.
Sally happy when it is windy because she needs the wind
The
to
wind.
fly her kite.
The wind.
The wind
To fly her kite.
by her kite.
Yay! How's the weather? Is it hot or cold? It's so, can you read it, baby? How's the weather?
How's the weather?
Is it hot or cold? It's so hot.
It's so hot.
I like cloudy, wet weather because I love walking in the rain. How about you? Again, baby.
How's the weather? Is hot or cold? It's so hot. And I like cloudy, wet weather because I love walking in the rain. How about you?
Yes, how about you? We like sunny weather because we love going to the beach. We like windy weather because we love sailing on the sea.
Yes.
We like, baby, we like
We like sunny weather because we love going to
the
the beach.
weather. We love going to the beach.
We love going to the beach. We love windy
We like
weather, but beach love sailing
because we love sailing on the sea.
because we love in the sea.
Okay, let's Vicky's painting class. Complete the first part of the story. Can you read it, baby? It's a
It's
birthday.
is a it's a
Cloudy day at Vicky's school.
and Vicky in the school.
Vicky's in her painting class.
Vicky in her tiny class.
She's
She
thinking
thinking
what
what
I can draw.
about
One more try, baby. Listen to teacher first. It's a cloudy day at Vicky's school. Vicky's in her painting class. She's thinking, what can I draw? Again,
a cloudy Vicky school. Vicky in her painting class. She thinking what a job.
what can I draw?
What can I draw?
Okay. Next. Where's Vicky now? Can you tell
Where's
me?
Vicky now?
Oh, where's Vicky? Look at the picture.
Vicky is the picture.
Baby, look at the picture. Where is Vicky?
The Vicky is look at the picture.
What? Where is Vicky now?
The Vicky is the boy is looking at the picture. Yeah, monster. Where Vicky now? What she thinking about? Has she got any this?
Vicky is in the library. What
No.
she's thinking now?
I don't know.
Maybe she's thinking, what is she going to paint, baby? Because
Sure.
she doesn't think anything about painting. Has she got any ideas?
Sure. Sure.
Okay, can you read it? Vicky's in the library now.
Vicky in the library now.
She's thinking about her picture, but she hasn't got any ideas.
Staring at the picture is the guy.
Again, baby, she's thinking about her picture.
He's taking in the picture.
Baby, can you read it? She's thinking about her picture.
He's thinking about a picture.
But she hasn't got any ideas.
But he wants any
Any ideas?
ideas.
Where is Vicky now?
Where's Vicky now?
Look at the picture, baby. She's at home now.
The girl is wearing pink t-shirt.
Yes, she's looking at a rainbow. Now she's got a good idea. Again,
The girl is look at the picture. The wearing is pink t-shirt.
she's looking at the rainbow.
She's looking at the rainbow.
Now she's got a good idea.
Now she looks at Gina.
Oh, look at the picture. Where's Vicky now?
The girl is wearing the pink t-shirt.
Vicky is in her classroom now.
Yes. The girl.
There's a rainbow in Vicky's picture. Can you read it? There's a rainbow in Vicky's
There's a
picture.
rainbow in Vicky's picture.
Yes. What does Vicky draw?
Draw the rainbow.
Yeah, rainbow.
Rainbow.
Her teacher's saying, well done.
The teacher saying, well done.
Okay, baby. Let's try to retell the story. Number 1, what is the picture all about? About Vicky. Can you tell me?
Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay.
Rainbow.
No, the first picture, Vicky is thinking about what is he going to draw.
This the picture 1.
Yes, in picture 2, she went to
The picture 2 is looking at the rainbow.
No, number 2 picture, she's in the library, baby. And number 3, she's looking at the rainbow. That's why she got an idea of drawing a rainbow.
Rainbow.
There's a rainbow, rainbow. Okay, can you read it, baby? Put number 1, 2, 3, 4. Wow, look at that rainbow.
Wow, picture.
Baby, again. Look, wow, look at that rainbow. It's beautiful.
Look, wow, the picture is uniform.
So that's picture number 3. Picture number 2.
Picture number 2 is picture number 1.
No, that's a really pretty picture, Vicky. So what picture is that?
It's picture 4.
Yes. Next, number 3.
My friends got a great and I had. Picture 2.
My friends got a great idea, but I haven't. No, not picture 2, baby.
Picture 1.
Picture 1. And lastly?
And picture 2.
Can you read it? I can't find any good pictures in this library or in this website. Oh, dear.
I can find a good picture. This library on this question. Oh dear.
Website. Oh, dear. What's it like? Is it hot or cold? Can you read it?
What is like? Is hot or cold?
Oh, what is it? Hot or cold today, baby?
It's hot.
Hot. Is it sunny or windy or cloudy?
It's sunny.
Is it raining or snowing?
No, raining.
Can you see a rainbow?
Yes.
Okay.
1, 2, 3, 4.
Okay, listen, baby. Write it on your notebook, baby. Ready?
Yes.
7F. What's the weather like? Draw the weather. First window.
Oh dear, it's raining again. Look at all that rain.
Second window.
What a nice day. It's so sunny. Where are my sunglasses?
Third window.
Brr, it's really cold, but the snow looks beautiful. Let's go outside and play in the snow now.
Fourth window.
It's windy and it's really cloudy today. There are lots and lots of big grey clouds above our school.
Okay, baby. What is the weather in number 1?
It's rainy.
Rainy. Number 2.
Sunny.
Sunny. Number 3.
Cloudy.
Cloudy. Number 4.
Rainy.
Huh? Rainy. Number 4 is...
Cloudy. What?
Okay, let's listen again, baby.
7F. What's the weather like? Draw the weather. First
Go
window.
ahead, baby.
Oh dear, it's raining again. Look at all that rain.
Second window.
What a nice day. It's so sunny. Where are my sunglasses?
Third window.
Brr, it's really cold, but the snow looks beautiful. Let's go outside and play in the snow now.
Fourth window.
It's windy and it's really cloudy today. There are lots and lots of big grey clouds above our school.
Oh, it's number 4. It's
It's snowy.
oh, baby, it's windy. Okay, can you read it again? Rainy, sunny, cloudy, and windy.
Rainy, sunny, cloudy, and windy.
Yes. Okay, baby. What's that symbol?
It's cloudy.
Next.
It's sunny. It's windy.
Snowing or winter.
Cloudy.
And windy.
Windy.
Okay. Okay, hold on, baby. I will play one video.
What do you do? What do you
Hold on, baby. Hold on. We're not yet finished.
It's
We're going to practice speaking in English today, okay?
yes. It's 1 o'clock.
Okay, hold on, baby. Hold on. We're not yet done.
Goodbye.
No. We're not yet done. So let's start with the, baby, let's start with the phrases, okay? Practice.
Rock and learn.
Good morning.
Can you say it? Good morning.
Good morning.
Good morning. Good morning. Good morning.
Maybe good morning.
Good morning.
Very good.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go.
Let's go. Let's go. Let's go. Don't run.
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 Okay.
Don't run. Walk, please.
Walk, please. Walk, please.
Walk, please.
Walk, please.
Walk, please.
Walk, please.
Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you. Look.
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 A spider.
A
Look.
spider.
A spider.
Spider.
Be careful.
Be careful. Be careful.
Be careful.
Be careful.
No.
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 Don't touch.
Don't touch.
Not yet.
Don't touch.
Don't touch.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Look.
Close the door.
Close the door.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands.
Wash your hands. Wash your hands.
Your hands.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
Good job.
What do you want to drink?
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 Do you want milk?
Do you want milk?
Do you want milk?
Do you want milk?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
I want water, please.
I want water, please.
I want water, please.
I want water, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
What do you want to drink?
You want to drink?
What do you want to drink?
What do you want to drink?
Do you want water?
Do you want water?
Do you want water?
Do you want water?
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you. I want orange juice, please.
I want orange juice, please.
I want orange juice.
I want orange juice. I want orange juice.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you.
Welcome.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
Welcome.
Practice math on adapted
You're welcome.
rewards on your learning adventure.
What do you want to drink?
To drink.
What do you want to drink?
What do you want to drink?
Do you want orange juice? Do you want orange juice? No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
No, thank you.
I want milk, please.
I want milk, please.
I want milk, please.
I want milk, please.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome.
Welcome.
I like water.
Welcome.
I like water. I like orange juice.
I like orange juice.
I like orange juice.
I like orange juice.
I like milk.
I like milk.
I like milk.
I like milk.
All gone.
Run.
All gone.
Oh, run.
Do you want more water? Do you want more water? Yes, please.
Yes, please.
Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. All gone.
Welcome. I won.
All gone. Do you want more orange juice? Do you want more orange juice? Yes, please. Yes, please. Thank you. Thank you. You're welcome. You're welcome. All gone. All gone. Do you want more milk? Do you want more milk? Yes, please.
Yes,
Yes, please.
yes.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Thank you.
Okay, baby. So we are every day we're going to practice that, okay? Hold on, baby.
Okay.
Still not yet time. So baby, this will be your homework. So can you try to read it, baby? Walks home.
What? Home take to mom.
Talks
As
to mom.
Go
At
to
the
bed.
dinner. Go to bed.
Reads a book. Ramble. Gets up. Gets dressed. Ride a bike to school.
Yes. So I will put it in Zalo, baby. Practice those words, okay? Maybe you are upside down.
Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. I can clap my hands. I can stamp my feet. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Bye bye, goodbye. Bye 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 bye, goodbye. Goodbye.
Okay, baby, hold on. Hold on a minute. We're not yet done. I will put it in your homework.
Goodbye. Goodbye.
No, not yet, baby. Put it. This will be your homework. Practice this.
Rainy. Sunny.
What did you learn today about the weather? Okay, baby. So see you next Monday, okay? Are you
Yes,
tired, baby?
goodbye.